first thing that comes to your mind when you hear the word Supercross?
I lost the game. इन्होंने शुरू किया है और इन्होंने खत्म भी कर दिया है. Means they were doing that way. That national highway, क्या है वो? खंडाला वो.
पुराना वाला?
Ghati.
हाँ.
Khandala Ghat. He held my hand and I was riding behind and they were in a jeep. It was a Mahindra jeep. There another friend of ours, Nikki. His father used to own an agency. Now these boys were slightly older than I was. So I was still on the cycles and they had just gone into cars and bikes and all that stuff. So he held my hand.
I'm going to start, of course, with you, sir, Salman Bhai. What is the first thing that comes to your mind when you hear the word Supercross?
I lost the game.
For you, we will give you more time.
Rapid fire.
Yeah, rapid combo, we'll just pull this down a little. But yes, when you hear Supercross, what is the first word that comes to your mind?
Superhero.
Sorry?
Superhero. Winner.
Superhero. Okay. Now my next question is that in the 80s and the 90s, did you ever get a chance to see a Supercross race?
Yes, I did. In fact, I rode a cycle all the way from Mumbai to Pune with friends of mine who is still a very dear friend of mine. His name is Jaggi. So on the Khandala Ghat, he held my hand and I was riding behind and they were in a jeep. It was a Mahindra jeep. There another friend of ours, Nikki. His father used to own an agency. Now these boys were slightly older than I was. So I was still on the cycles and they had just gone into cars and bikes and all that stuff. So he held my hand the whole Khandala, that national highway, क्या है वो? Khandala वो.
पुराना वाला?
Ghati.
हाँ.
Yeah, that. And then, so we went and watched this league in Pune. वो सब पुणे में हुआ करता था.
Right.
Yeah, I think some international supercross हुआ करता था वहाँ पर. So उसके बाद, वो supercross के बाद जब they used to make me do wheelies and stoppies and all that stuff जो कि मैं cycle था ही मेरे पास करता था. So they used to gather crowd by me doing all these things. And I was very young. So they used to, that's how they got their friends and their women and
of course.
तुम करो भाई मेहनत.
Right, but when you saw it for the first time, what was your reaction like? What was the experience like?
It was amazing. I mean, the way these guys rode was fantastic, and I saw these two international guys riding, and ये हमारे लोगों में कोई क्लास ही नहीं था, कोई क्लास ही नहीं था. इन्होंने शुरू किया है और इन्होंने खत्म भी कर दिया है. Means they were doing, I mean their wheels were not on the ground only, they were just in the air, and our guys were like that way. So there was a huge difference at that point in time because infrastructure nahi tha hamare paas. Now Ishan and Veer have got all the infrastructure, all the bikes are there, trainers are there. These guys themselves are fantastic because they've trained abroad. Right. So now you will not have to go and train abroad, you can train here only.
Correct, of course. And also, now that we are on the topic of supercross racing, I know that you have a few dirt bikes.
I've got a lot of dirt bikes.
Yeah, how many do you have?
I have quite a few.
Okay.
Quite a few.
Can we put a number to it, or are we not putting any numbers today?
Dirt bikes. So I have all the YZs and the RMs and the ITs and the DTs. And I've got the e-bikes also, the Surons, and I've got the Hayabusas, and I've got the Intruders, and I've got all that, and then the Indian bikes also, and then lot of bikes. I mean, I've been collecting bikes for the longest time.
Okay, let's just put it like that. Yes,
and it's growing.
And it's growing. Of course, it is growing.
And now I see these bikes in par nazar hai meri. यहाँ से जाते ही बोल दूंगा कि ये 2 घर भिजवाओ।
ये 2 घर भिजवाओ।
Pack the bikes fast.
आया
sorry?
हूँ कुछ तो
Pack
लेके
the bikes
जाऊंगा,
fast.
Of course.
आया हूँ कुछ तो लेके जाऊंगा।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल सर, बिल्कुल।